How to tag someone on Facebook Reel after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have ever posted a Facebook Reel and later realize you forgot to tag someone, don't worry. I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how you can tag someone in your Facebook Reel even after it's been posted. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply go to your profile section. And once you are in a profile section, here you can see three tabs under the add to story button. Under that, simply select the videos tab, and under here you can see your reel, so simply tap on that. And once you have opened the reel, here you can see the three dot icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. So simply tap on that, and after tapping on that, a pop-up menu will come up. From that menu, simply tap on the option label as edit video. And once you have tapped on that, to mention someone, simply tap on the description box. After tapping on that, you'll see two options under that description box. So simply tap on the option label as @mention. After that, a pop-up menu will come up with a list of your friends. So simply select your friends that you want to tag, and once you have done that, simply tap on save button. And that's it. That's how you can tag someone on Facebook Reel even after posting. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.